Okay, this is build your own notepad using pyqt5 and Python part 2. So let's quickly get started. So guys, we are in our computer screen right now. This is the code we have written in our previous video. So let me just show you the notepad app. Here you can see there is the editor and then many menus are there: file menu, edit, format, view, help. But our notepad doesn't have any menus. So today we are going to create the file menu with a new action. So these are the two lines which I have written to create the status bar. Okay, now what is the status bar? This thing I will explain you when I will run the code. Before that, let me just quickly create the file menu. File menu equals to self.menu bar parenthesis dot add menu in the inverted commas and file, and your menu is created. Now since our file menu is created, let us create the new file action. New file action equals to q action. Here first comes the name of the action which will be displayed, that is new, and after that self. Let me just explain you now. In this case, file menu will not be displayed, file will be displayed, and in this case new file action will not be displayed, new will be displayed. Okay, now what do I mean by this q action? Q action objects, actually q action is useful to represent each command as an action. Now actions can be added to your menus, toolbars, etc. and will automatically keep them in sync. We have created our action, and now let us set the status tip. Dot set status tip. You can set it to anything. I am setting here new page. Now after that, just connect it with a method. Now how will you connect it? Just write here dot trigger dot connect and just write here self dot new. This is the method we are going to create later. Now what do I mean by this trigger dot connect? Let me just tell you that q action objects can emit a variety of signals. Trigger dot connect connects to a method when this triggered signal is emitted. Now when this triggered signal is emitted? This triggered signal is emitted when the user clicks on the menu option or the toolbar button. Now since we have created our action, let us just add this action to our menu. So file menu dot add action, and here just write new file action. Now we have completed with it. Now let us quickly create the new method. Now in the parenthesis just pass self and then give a colons and then write here self dot editor dot clear. We are just clearing the editor. Let me just show you how it works by running the code. And here you can see we are getting a file menu and a new action. Let me just write here something gibberish and then click on the new button. It is getting cleared, which means that it is creating a new file but not saving the previous file. Okay, so to save the previous file, we have to create the save action, save as action, and then add that functionality to our new action. So these all cool stuff we are going to do in our next video. So to see that video first, click on the video on the left. To automate Google Meet using Python, the video on the right is the best.